Me tell you know. And when me talk, you don't hear me. Me tell you, say, Marsha not stay out of social media for long. And before the week done, she go come back. And she come back and make me a fret. Marsha said she not Jamaica people. I remember Marsha check the whole heap of we live in Jamaica to serve for paper. When a lawsuit or cease or desist. But no, that she never dare stay long out on social media, you know. Yeah, afraid people, when they start put on lawyer money for me, that wouldn't make me get in a trouble, you know. Speak my mind, family, wagwan. I tell you no. Marcia won't be long. This is Marcia's lifeline and family. She cannot stay away. No cure she try. And I get to understand that she were out here even before she come out here. Yes, she was out here before she even come out here on our platform. Because she was all over in a different people comment. Because this is how them stay. When them a seek refuge, when the pressure bust pipe and them a seek refuge, them run go to hall, one them was friend, turn enemy, turn back friend. Yes. Before I get any further, see the first stage I see ya. Marcia page. Good morning, members only. Remember, God is good all the time. We told him we are nothing. No weapon formed against shall prosper. I will back after my birthday. I remember to go. I? Oh, you mean I? You should say you. Or whatsoever can you refer to the people then. Anyway, now I ain't supposed to do so. Remember to go on Facebook. I share some videos from a few years ago. Still a hustle. You still a look money. So how can you do without social media? You don't need to share a video. You have enough time before YouTube or Facebook are going to say, boy, okay, you need to make a post because you have not posted XYZ time. You never reach quarter at the time there yet. So you don't have to post something, but you still try hustle. Anyway, share some videos from a few years ago when I am doing my dancing and karaoke. There are still good entertainment, nothing changed. You can still go there and laugh. You can see the difference in my size. Oh, my belly was big and now it went down. Now it's me, I read out as how she write. Went down 70%. I know me not see the barrel down size. I know this a barrel and a down size yet. So how should I say it gone down 70%? I know me not see that the barrel down size. Not even 10%, much as 70. Lord God, you're dangerous. Anyway, give God thanks, so go over there and watch them. No weapon formed against me shall not prosper. All the people who are making drug allegation with the tea business about me and other things, be prepared to prove it, because I am not playing with none of you. And abuse you can prove it. Abuse. You don't understand what me write? Me read the shit right. And abuse, you can prove it. Don't mention it because none of you can approve that. What you can prove is misconduct of my job, where I break the law of going live and let his voice be heard. But with whatever else you people are saying about me, you cannot prove it. Some of you will be hearing from my lawyer. Master, that Jamaica, me afraid. Master, that Jamaica for 2 weeks. Me afraid. Oh, give me no mind. I want to farm one group and go and collect the law money. Yeah, me afraid. Remember, me not rich like the rest of people. Them should come for me, broke and paparazzi and poor. Because when you are sending an email, me not send an email, so that not go for me. We cannot find your information I guess you never know that when you put false allegation in certain threats, your email, when you put false allegation in certain threat, your email, so whether false or real allegation or real, your email not can found. I don't understand what she has said still, but we'll leave it there. So, let me see what I can find your information. I guess you never know that when you put false allegation in certain threat, your email and address is exposed. So just be prepared for a paper from me. I am going to sue every last one of you that send an email that makes me lose my job. Nevertheless, members only, I will look something else in due time, but for the time being I am good. I did not realize my personality, the transparency that I have been doing for the past 20 years has become abused. You people are very dangerous, especially you Jamaicans, but I understand it is based on jealousy because none of your people that are talking about me does not have the credential that I have. The gift that I possessed, why am I not supposed to spell myself? My personality and my high self-esteem, you're what? You're right. Self-esteem, your people don't have it. So what do you people are doing? It is extremely jealous of me, and you people become a liar. You people are very lucky that I cannot find all of you and take you to the courthouse. Your people are very dangerous, and some of you are going to the pit of I may be gone now, but I will be back in a few weeks. No, just a couple days or two. You never know. Maybe this weekend your people know you can't stay. The weekend I reach it and you come back. From my page, because I know you people can't stay from my page because I am the best on YouTube. I pay your bills. She said pay you, but I just put your because I know almost your show, alright. All your bills. If it's not for my content, your people will be eating out of garbage pan, or most of all selling your front line. Or man taking advantage of you. Your people are ungrateful. Alright, she posted another one couple minutes ago. You people are acting as if I'm illegal. I am illegal in America. This month, February 25, shame to say this now, I have been here for 42 years. I grew up here since I am 10 years old. The thing that you people are taking in your the things that your people are talking in your video, do you realize that I have been working in the country since I was 17 years old? I have been in the nursing field since 30 years. I never had any complaint or any allegation with any agency or any private client that I work for. I wonder if, anyway, I can't but I go no further. I want to get another video. Cause actually most of what she say, yeah, so she team up with Dwayne. Lord Jesus, please. People, she team up with Dwayne. So most of what she say, yeah, so she call in for Dwayne program and attack it. So Marcia, you say you stay away from social media. This is not the way to stay. You're not even supposed to make a post or a comment. If you detox yourself from social media, you're supposed to stay away completely. You understand? And this is what I try to show you. Say you cannot stay away. Social media is your life. You try to do it for a day or two, but you cannot hold out. Yeah, you start say. You say you're not come back until after your birthday. No, you say probably 2 weeks time, which I remember for the same time your birthday falling. But no, you're in one of them posts where you make probably by a weekend and you come back before the weekend. People don't know they do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. The cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. So when you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. And please run over to the website of Charms and Trend that shop and support the merch, t-shirts and cap. Jump on the video because the video kind of long, you know.
But I don't know as much as I'm gonna claim about social media. I don't know shit. A lot of things nuts out here.
So as usual, him come out for Dana, as usual, and him burn a fire upon GT Buzz. But before the whole video, me hear one creature looking person, woman, over there. With the same name when you hear me saying in the video, so I hear that name for the longest while on social media. I don't know who him come. I burn a fire pan and whatsoever, and she a take him up and one bag of mix up between him and Ashanti and she and one bag of sitting. But me never listen to that because certain people me never want to mix with. You understand? So me could get back to the video.
Yeah, I text you. Thanks, go the fuck away. So what? I don't even. I don't know you to stay away from them. As you should. You should have done that long time. But currently, I feel like so that big back potty, she might do the inevitable and tear it up. You know, last time I wanted to she tore my little. So my turbulence the maximum. So watch out. You know what my sister say at this point, why should I waste money in this damn one? No. Just make sure I do our thing. Curly, let me tell you this. You just need to be smart. Change your formula upon them. Change the damn farm. Listen, don't give them no content, make them starve. They must suffer.
Yes, man. Hey, that's why I say I want to stay by myself, you know. You know, so you know that same video you have me here doing. Call the woman a Trini name. I always hear them say she all over in a comment too, you know. See GT boss screenshot the comment, so GT boss sit up on the live it look like. See that? The comment say the whole world will see who she is just now. So you know say Dana she attack. The whole world will see who she is just now. See comment there? See there? Oh no look good. Cause me know want to say a lie. Me hear the name but through the boy go down in them tone of voice. Me never hear what I say about what she said. But probably in a comment because she in the comment. The woman a Trini, the new dictionary cuss woman. So I'm glad I'm staying now, man.
But I'm so
I'm trying to run into me because I'm an idiot.
young man, can you please get the video where
No run into me. I think no gonna mix me up and pass me up. No must be mad. Anything me want to come out and come chat, say me chat that. No boy or girl can't stop me from chat that. Is either you love it or you like it or you hate it. It's either you agree with my opinion or you don't. Simple as that.
where did the message from?
But
I was freaking reading it.
But nobody now
Hey,
come
sir.
twist me
Listen,
up and
listen.
wind me up and go say me say you say this day. Cause anything when me say already
Where did
out
the
here.
comment from? We must, hello, Tiffany! Calling to Tiffany. Find that video. Tiffany, go and find this video. Get the video where Sloane come out and say her son Joseph need to clean up her pool. And I will prove nice me her shit. Hello, the most
Where
I
are
am
them
telling
here for?
you, I know Donegal is I'm telling you, bluntly, I'm being blunt right now, Donegal is a Decepticon. They're calling her Decepticon because she is. Donegal is not as clear cut as what she come out here and claim when she was out here collecting money. I'm telling you, I'm seeing to and I can
When she
prove it
out
too.
here collect we money,
I can prove it.
she send come beg you nothing.
See, a lot of these people, them down.
Did she send come beg you nothing?
Them don't want to see the truth. But because me not see it. And people, let me tell you, I'm a bit blunt to you. This is not Lorraine's
I
doing.
sure you was not one of even one of the doing of them when she could have rely upon. When something start and I take long to finish. We should have take her call and said, wow, help me with that one, yeah, man. Cause the people them not turn out for her, you know, and turn out for him, you know. I mean, know probably why, cause probably them not feel him or the disrespect when him say what they are. But help me with it. You was never one of them the person there. Cause you're like a 30 and 40 pounds.
Donna is wicked.
We're grateful for everything, you know. But you wasn't one of them, they would have probably helped the situation the way she in her. Because she take phone call you. So when you send your own, and you send it off for your own. I seek validation.
You see you, Paula? Paula, you have a lot of
No worry, man.
sins. You see,
Paula, we
see,
got pray
God,
for you, you know.
God
Behave
really
yourself.
mean. I hope and pray to God really mean. Me I hope and pray to God is really mean. Paula and Donna, they wronged us. They did. They did. And if they don't see it, I can phone a business. I just for one of their business. Me see it, I can prove it. And as long as me can prove it to myself, that's all me care about. But I can't stay over there and go and be a part of her freaking garden. What she like, she her cat. When I go and do anything, I saw me sit down there and see, and it's more clear now to me. I'm being blunt too. Donna can never. Donna, I don't even know why I talk about this again. Because I'm going to talk about it, but I'm going to be blunt and tell you, based on what you've done, Donna, based on what you've done, look at my crippled face. Look at my crippled face.
Boy.
Based on what you've done, Donna, you can't look at my face.
Dreaming. This boy I must be dreaming. Is he really sitting down in his feces? Wonder if that make his dreaming. Donna would I really want to look in your face again. You are dreaming. Yeah, dream man. Donna want to hear me. You don't mind Donna call you right now like how Master take up her phone and call you. The next person you want here take up them phone and call you a Tina Chin. And then now you feel like yes, you have the positive of two giants. We're not gonna win a life.
You cannot look back in my face. And you know, I once appreciated you. I once cheered for you. I did. You can't look in my face. I mean, I cannot. And you know why. You know why. And you know I know now. Even if I didn't know before, I know now.
Rotted.
Better.
Watch out, me a scroll again, people. Me a scroll again and see the same person name come up here again, Entertainment Buzz. Let me see Entertainment Buzz. Wait name there. Audrey, what is it you want from 99? Must be the $1,000 you was hoping she would send you. Marcia in the comment too. Everyone is eating their own vomit. See it? In the comment, the same person when me talk about Trini, where me call the name that's where caption. Then I go put your mouth under all of your plank of them and drink what you see. See there? Cause we not lie now. We like show people evidence. See there? See there? Entertainment Buzz catch it in a comment and screenshot it and post it. So I'm not try to show you. This is how these enemies come around where Dana is concerned. Is it them running to her by, validation of by knowings and to be relevant, to say them do this and them is a part of this and a part of that, or them going there with an intention to use a sprat, as we would have said in a layman terms in Jamaica, you use a sprat to catch a whale. So the fisherman that put on a little beanie fish, remember it's a fish that but what, that too small for him. So him use that small fish to put on the hook, throw it out at sea to catch a bigger fish. So them come with them little $30, $40, $50, donate, say them a this and them that. And when them want back assistant and them not get it, there's a problem. Some of them come, yes, Planka good place, Dana a good woman, man. Yes, man, yes, some people that not help. So they run come for help to all when them not in need of no help, or them send people for help, and when the persons them not get the help, them turn against the woman. This is how all of them come by as enemy, You just check the whole of them. And so them come by. Away from probably T-girl who just grudge and jealous and bad mind because you don't know. She says she a baker. The woman live in Jamaica a baker at the time. And she there foreign and the woman outshine and outdone her in her hometown. In our America. You understand? Because feed them America, Yes, feed them America. You understand? What I tell you? And I will eat
That
more
means
out there, you know.
mentally
I
that
tell you,
you
just because them not exposed
and
yet.
you know if you don't,
Enough for them to come to light yet and will
if
eat
you
more
feel like
still to
say
come.
planks, one of planks take this from me, one of say anti the plancation will fuck the belly. You wanna say when I tell I say planks hear me well. And no one knows me gonna be serious now. It's the anti the plancation of fans will
Oh,
fuck
I see my say
the
name right
bill
on the bottom, you
for you
saw.
to
See
bring
there?
those people
As
to
me tell you,
put
she in the
those
comment
out
till
here
she end up calling.
slandering your name. You know, say
You know, so
Mark,
weird, man. Just go and hold out.
say to her, planks I adore you. Shit me I'm begging you. I wanna know I don't like begging. I mean I like beg. But me beg gonna know. In fact, I'll beg 2 likes. I'll beg one super chat as well. But on the answer and we are beg you know. We are beg you. Bring me that call. We will foot the bill. Which means so now by you guys saying that to her, she won't have no reason to worry about capital. If you bring the people in that call, right? And if you do it, I make sure bring the people in that court. Because bear man, for 6 whole years, people's been out here speaking thing about her name, right? And she keeps coming out and saying she's gonna go in, she's gonna go to court, she's gonna sue this, she's gonna sue that, she's gonna sue Austin and Comfort. And to date,
Yeah, man. Don't worry, man.
I know he has no courthouse.
We want to catch you when lights out. We don't know where to run to. We don't want
Why
holding
is
at the
that
bright
don't go to
light.
court?
We don't can see places to run to. We want holding night dark.
How is she hiding so much?
Nowhere to run to.
What is she hiding so much?
Yeah, run to the sea and the sea looks somewhere for run to.
Ashanti knows, okay? Ashanti knows on the secret, he knows. Ashanti that Gavin Salmon knows. That's why Donegal invited Ashanti in her space to come and eat at her table. When I think said it was just because they wanted to stop just bareface. So no, there had to have been a deal for it to stop. Right? And the deal came for Donna's friend. I saw them put him to Dana friend. I did that job. Mark my 10. Give me that take away. Donna is wicked.
Because she put you in a position where you're there. The condition where you're under, she put you there.
The last couple days, they tried
She make
so
you in
hard
the condition where you're under.
to start some kind of campaign against me. I tried to, oh, I want to mix up here. I want this. Hello, if whether I want to mix up it, I'll mix up it not. I don't give one fucking shit. I want to give one fucking shit even. Yes, when I should have known some more mix up it long time. Trending drama. When I should have known, I've been at the mix up page. But how is having a mix up page? How is that valid? I'm alone at mix up page. How many people out here have mix up page? Well, a lot of people have mix up page, right? So why is it so why is it so maybe I try to find the right word. Why is it such a big thing for Dwayne? Yeah, mix go away. See, I company look. Distraction. And that dirty boy Buzz, you know.
GT!
Buzz, they don't like you either. You fucking idiot. Them don't like you.
GT Buzz.
You never YouTube all long and you're not interviews. See, I fool. I know you're one of their Confederates. And you're trying so hard to make me look bad. But either way, whether you make me look bad or look bad, how the fuck is that going to benefit my life? See, I get. How is it going to benefit your life? Buzz come and suck out what you want.
Jesus. So you see when I say I go stop tell people that, but you know, you still a do it. You still a do it.
Yeah. A company, yeah. You're not a company. You're not getting it. That's what I tell you. When you're trying all kind of damn tactics.
But I'm saying, scroll and the money see, you know, man.
I am not an idiot. Even if at the point in my life I was a damn idiot, I am no longer a damn
all the
I don't
situation,
care what
yeah.
you say.
I forgot if you highlight one next. Cause Kwame wasn't the only blind person on the program. Who remember the woman who used to re-wrap the chair them with the something like bamboo business? What's she name again? A little short woman, the man, where she end up fix up her place out her little donation without any form of supervision from Dana. What the woman do is even harder than for Kwame go up the stairs, you know. What that woman do for a blind woman is even harder than Kwame go up the stairs. Because once you learn how your surroundings stay and know your surroundings stay, I want to for you. We talk already, have a man who used to sell pillar where live a water house. When the man left them here, he must have got a town for him take a bus. But if him not go town, him just go in the area and walk the area and him can't last. And walk go back to him yard. When him come off a bus from town, him come off with a beer farm road there so. And turn up him road, him don't need nobody to lead him more than him cane to feel where him a go. And you still sit down on that as a Kwame through the man say him want TV if you watch. Want TV watch because that is how him still a think like him have sight. But anyway, I'm not go back into that.
And you, whether you go down, whether Donna go down or go down not, I don't care.
You know, so she want, you don't want she go to prison. You know that same live here you say that, you know. You know, because me not play that part, but you know that same live here you say it.
It will not benefit my life in no way, shape,
So
or
why you
form.
say you want she go to
Right?
prison?
So, by her going down,
Which that will never happen.
how is that going to affect me? How is that going to benefit me? It won't. So do I want it to go down? No. But what I want to know is the truth. She is wicked. She is corrupt.
She put
That's
you in
why
the
God
condition where you know,
spoiled her.
man.
You hear me? That's why God had to pop her down. I'm going to tell God, pop her backside down. But not see it. Them take with themselves. Donna is not relying on new people. You know what I'm saying? And 1 and 2 old people. 1 and 2 old people is still there. I'm telling you. I don't care what from why you're tired. I don't business, but I'm telling you.
May I ask you a question? Exactly. So, charity I run now? What you want to old donor for and the long time donor and big donor for? Charity I run? Recently when all I know a chat, all of them same something here. And the woman come out. How the woman come out for? Oh, the girl in a country with the furniture and sitting there with the baby them. You not see what happen? Why you continue to make yourself look like an idiot out there? Eh? Why you continue to speak the same thing over and over and when it can be proven that you know a chat bullshit? Eh? Jesus, peace. I just recently the woman shut up, you know. Because they said this because really and truly in a charity now go on. They say you not go see donor turn out. And if something asks for little food for somebody or a little small thing, the little small $20, $30, $50, $100 people then probably can sort out that. And the big donor them reserve for when the big moment. I want to see the turnout in space of a short time where this young miss get. And you still have the heart to come here and chat this.
I'm going to pray for you, okay? I'm going to pray for you, girl.
Don't go and worry about the donor them.
I'm going to pray for you.
Donor them now worry about who or them money or nobody.
We are, by the way, we need prayers.
When them call on duty, they will be there. And they have proved it to you over and over. And the more on the chat, you see the more them come out.
Who's trying so hard to distract the clients. But I don't realize, no, you cannot, people, I'm telling you something. This is just not, this is not enough. This is not just for them alone. This is for everybody. All of us. I'll me too. You can fool people sometime, but you can't fool them all the time. We can fool people sometime, but we cannot fool them all the time. I don't hate you. I don't hate you. I hate what you did to us. I live out of your life. I live something there. That's liberty. That was freaking liberties. And people, let me tell you guys something. All of those charities, hello, me not take out none of them from Jamaica. Which means I'm putting people who we like. But yeah, I'm good enough. No. And let's not, I'm just looking honestly now. And stop with it for great. Hopefully. And pay for bills. Let's be real, right? How is it possible Parla put out 350,000 to pay the bill and did not know that was what was the
That's the difference with scuminar. That's the difference with a scuminar. And a scuminar would be like you, who would know you're taking out your team then. You have a team and you take out your team. Remember, no, I know like you sit down here right, you call lobster Dave, you say, how much you want lobster? And then we say, okay, it go by the size and the pound, And if you want it this way, it's between X, Y, Z, you sit down. That's a scuminar. And you work out the price. And you say, alright, 6, 7, 8, 3. Where you want? You ask and you work out the price. So you carry the exact money with a little dollar over or two. You take out a team. And you take out a team for a treat. You understand? And you know you're going at a certain place. So what you do, you carry a certain amount of money. One question also asks why she carries so much money, because in the same video, Marcia was there and Marcia come and talk about how much money. I question Marcia how much money. Marcia give a figure of 1 million. She said, what day she come and she change 2,000 US and she get XYZ and more than that. So about $700 to $1 million Paula did have in the bag. She name all the name of the bag, We show them and watch how people things by details, They look at Adidas black bag anytime, like she has set up Paula. Anytime you see Paula with that, yeah, they look at Adidas black bag, yeah. So all details she give out the bag. But when me say, the woman carry her cash because she knows she got treat her team. You might say, oh, she knows that the money where she carry would have pay for it and not fall under. She also have her card. Me not ask that. But the thing is, you might ask why she pay cash if she have her card. Make her explain. In a them time there, Dana's status might not as big as now. In a them time there. Not saying she never have her money, no one thing, but it bigger now. And why I said this, certain bank, you only have a certain amount you can pull from the card because of safety reason. Protection of your own money. So the card only can use X amount of money. So for instance, her card have a limit of 100,000. She couldn't go use a card taking something value 150,000. You see one that say when the card decline, Lord God, watch there. She gonna have the people them phone on the card decline. Lord, no money not depend it. When it's not money not depend it, But the card have a limit of 100,000. And she try pay 150 or fight it now, but pay it. As me say, protection reason. Just saying, No, probably she might have an open card. No, because things have grown over the years. You understand? Things has grown over the years. We don't need eyeglass like myself who have one. You have to see that. So she might have an open card where she used to do certain big shopping because she reach a stage now where at any given time she can't go make any big spending. You understand? So instead of a carry the raw cash, she can make it off of that card the special. While she still have other cards with limited spending on them. So if you even ask a question, why carry so much cash? Why never use a card? That's one of the reasons. And two, what if the place where she go, she order the people them food, she only have card machine broke down. What that embarrassment, she can't pay for the people them food. Or should I go all the way down there so? Wanna take card? Yes. But the card machine not working. At this so she designate for go with her team for go have lunch or dinner whatsoever. Card machine broke down. How she go pay? Where she go to come back at town, sad and never get to enjoy themselves, or easily I look somewhere else that them go choose somewhere where them they will enjoy. Come on. All this is a question. Details of the woman's personal private life. Yo.
Yeah, call me now. What happened? Yeah, you want to talk?
Curly time. Curly come out
What
here
are
now.
they?
Curly we say she avoid social media,
What are they?
You take into somebody else's platform, you feel like say I don't feel social media you depend. Plus she come out and do a live this morning, but it's almost when she step on fear life, she gonna say yes so.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, big up to me members only people.
Big up members only.
Like Marcia.
Mm-hmm.
Me just want to let the people them know say they alright.
Yeah.
You understand? And
This you don't want and this him want.
Clear. Talk to me.
You don't want farm a team.
Start me there, the Wi-Fi now pick up for you.
Talk me, you good talk.
But she there Jamaica.
Okay.
Make sure you do
Me
one
just
short
want to
video
pick up
proof
my
you there
phone
Jamaica
and
with your
tell him
liar
say,
self. You're still up on the walk.
Defeat is not an option.
Never.
And nobody was sending email to get me terminated from my job because of and I did not get terminated from my job because of what they said, because I was proven guilty by the investigation that they did and questioning of my client. I got termination because of the amount of complaint that was coming into the facility, and they don't want any people, that type of you know like when you are call facility, good for them. You understand? And so that is the thing. But it's okay. We're working on something else because I know where to go to find other jobs. And my friend who gave it to me, she's looking something else. I want to tell my supporters them, yes, with my personality and everything over the years, I've been doing this. But since social media become very vicious and jealous, and I'm fight for justice for other people, I learned a lesson. But I have been in communicating with my supporters them, and some of them, and people who I have worked with, me play a piano with them, me sing for them, all the people them over the years. Me go
I know
shopping
about
with
that
them
them
with no
I
one
for do.
money. Me keep them birthday party with no one money. So me always kind of interact. But times change because social media is becoming very brutal. But me just want to tell everybody, say me alright. And I mean, I'm
Why
in
me I watch
Jamaica
a
right
video,
now.
this thing I
I'm
get
going to
so
be out down here for
why
2 weeks, taking care
I
of some
watch this
business,
now no.
and you will hear else who pop on social media. Me not have
Don't talk too much.
I wanted to say also.
Alright, watch this now people. Just a
I
second.
wanted to say also that.
Me there scroll on Instagram. Alright, see him there? The video that I was watching before this pop up on the same video, he was so aggressive against another schoolboy with a flock of schoolers around him. Some other one hitting the schoolboy also. Very, very aggressive. And the little boy just takes all the slap and whatsoever and just take them. No retaliation. Now, at the end of the video, missing, he was last seen in the... Let me see what it's called. Them right, this in a blue writing. Oh, he was last seen in the South Camp Road area. Anyone have any information, call XYZ or call the nearest police station. He was the aggressor. So, when you check the level now, this little boy where him did prove himself on, everybody are gonna think now say this little boy a relative have something to do with this. Whether I'm uncle, him brother, him father, him friend, whatever them mix up go take with him now, And who wouldn't left to believe that? As well as the same thing when portrait yes against this little boy, him cannot do it against others. Or after him do it with this little boy, him go do it with somebody else and end up mess with the wrong person. You understand? But guess what me know? You see their video you will show where them pin this on the same video is a message whosoever pin this, me now call out the person name when I see it on the platform because I can repost him, just repost it. You understand what I say to you? That is the signal what them are sending. Remember that. That's why them say you see threaten them something there. Not threaten the people. Because a man who want that man years now get the opportunity when it be a you threaten him. If you go do what you threaten him say, and you people here in the public are threaten him, and within hours after anything happen, who you think them are gonna look upon? You are the first person who is a suspect. But me I tell you this thing, I see about 3 more of them since week. One set of girl, a school girl, me I tell you about beat another little school girl, I want to know when them are gonna put a stop to these things. Them school where them things here happen, where even the onlookers at school as a school for shut down for all 1 month, make them go to them yard. Go amongst them parents and friends. Anything we want happen, the good suffer for the bad. Because there's a lot of good people who's there also. And them come together. You want my candy, but come together. We even want 10 on and say, yo, stop this man, this not look good. Because I now go say no one individual for go up against 100 somebody who has said the same thing. So if the good have to suffer for the bad man, we need to start weed out them type of pitney out of the school system. You can't have your pitney, a good pitney, and send go school, and if you're a fret in a school, them gone. And when you're there, you hear I work, you hear sad news. Them things are not look good. Back to the story.
Um, during the time when Miss Lady had kept her party, you have to go by what she said. She said that it was
You want Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
She said you have to go by what she said. The next day she came on her live and she said she had spent $350. So you can't say no more than that. You have to take it on the RC's mode. She came on her live and she was cussing. Even that same time, me and her were still talking, and I came on my live and I was cussing for her and cussing the people and without the party. Because what Donna did, Donna had sent out an invitation and she sent out a menu. And the menu stated that there was no lobster on the menu. They cannot get lobster or anything like that. But when she went there, the people that gave her one big lobster, fancy lobster. And remember, me come from Prime, me have my own money. What the people that did, Donna was so busy on her live, busy with little boy, the greedy boy, and stuff, so that I was going to be on number food. And greedy Marcia, we come to be on number food, when we take up with no phone or something buy. Yes, she never realized when the girls them go, the harder what they want. So she never put things in control. Everybody in there order lobster. Not only that them order one food, they order food to go. Many of them go home and go and care want this to my mama and care want this to whatever. So I was here. But thank you, Jesus. I ordered my lobster for myself. The big lobster for me and my assistant.
Hey, do we get what you want, you know? At this you want, you know? You can't wait for your Tina call now.
Which is it? I brought it home because the fish is so big and I never like the fish taste, you know, taste nothing like it.
They make curry fish in it too. They make curry fish in it.
Over by Port Royal.
Yes.
So when I went to the bar, Donna and Paula was there. Paula had one little Adidas black and white bag. The right Adidas body she travel with anywhere she go. Right?
Here,
So,
she identify, you know. So Paula, you have to go change it back.
Donna was arguing.
Because she almost tell them, say, anytime you have the bag there, a crump of money you have in it.
So we don't know if that's what she paid, but all I know was when Paula came out the money out of the bag, it was
Just like how you're big lion, you go come tell life on the summer money.
I can tell you that. And when the lady, when I went up,
You know big lion now when you tell life on the summer money where the woman have in the bag.
No. The bill included that already. I said no, it's the girl said no. This is a separate bill. She ordered a separate bill because she already don't tell me already in the invitation. We're not supposed to get lobster, so me never go out but not for myself.
Yeah.
It paid for my own food.
Yeah.
So she said no, it's included in the bill. Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, talk.
She said no, it's included in my bill. So and the lady said no. So I just give them my card and then swipe my Chase bank card. You understand? And then swipe my Chase bank card and pay for me and my assistant bill. The next day she come on the live and she said it was $350,000. And I came out and I started cuss for her. So you have to go by what she said. She said it was $350,000. Me don't know where them me have $350,000 because it wasn't a lot of people. I don't even think it was 25 people there.
But Curly, based on the money we you see, what Paula put out, how much look?
So basically you're saying a lie, them I tell. I wish I see something recently. Recently, me see a post with a celebrity. Locally, them go somewhere, and when they make the order, and them eat and done. God bless what you see, what them eat. And when them hear 100 and 1,000, them say for what? I can't remember exactly what I remember vividly. Say me see it. I don't know if I TikTok or Instagram. Where you have to understand that me as a normal person step up into a place like a Lobster Dave, and one of these dining area or dining restaurant like them place there, especially when there's not a price list and you just a order in bulk, you're liable to get top. You're liable to get top. So if you go there and one lobster at the time, or a pound of lobster at the time was 200, them are going to tell you say 300. Oh, you know see how that? A Nicki Minaj that. You know see how that? A Dana go that. You know see how that? A Beyonce that. So you go and get top. Them are top up your price. Anywhere you go. And because them habits are not celebrity, you're not going question. And like I mean, celebrity and a celebrity, me a question so me can. I prefer no say me take my money and give to willingly. More than take my money go say me a support somebody and them tap me. You must say mad. So you're going to make it impossible, you make it look like a lie the people about. I don't see where them really eat. You didn't know how much I pound for lobster at the time? No. I remember no. No lobster wasn't there because probably them said no lobster couldn't get. And that's why no lobster never there on the order on the menu at the time. But in at the time, when them reach, it is like them get some lobster. So whether is either lobster it out of season, and you know when lobster out of season you can be charged for it if you're fine with it and never declare it if you have it before the season is out. If you have lobster and the season end tomorrow, you have to declare it to authority and them come and them check it. Because if them find you with it without you do that, you can be fined. Because lobster have season. Alright.
How much money does it look? How much money does it look like to you?
I will eat. Me not lie. Because the other day when I had some money on me and stuff like that, because it was a month, they changed out 2,000 US dollar, and I got like about 2,600, 200,000. And it was enough. It was enough money. So to tell you the truth, what she had in the bag was enough than that.
Okay.
Compared to the money. Me not lie.
Yeah.
It was enough on one pile of what they had in their hand compared to, because I don't know if they knew money when Jamaica government had. Because I am here, but I don't change up my money because I brought up $38,000 with me. And I'm not staying in a hotel right now.
Yeah.
Me there one house. So
Eh.
like
Not
I
halfway
don't need to change the money yet.
Hold on. No, sir. Big superstar like you has so much money. You shouldn't fly down. Every day you talk about you're that AC Marriott, you're that AC Hotel, you're that Marriott, you're that Rio, you're there, so. Every time you fly come to Jamaica, you're not supposed to fly come on nobody's house. Worse if it's not an Airbnb, you go stay. You understand? And you can't stay at Airbnb because you don't cook. You want to go somewhere where you can get things easily served to you. You understand? You shouldn't come out here and talk about, oh, I'm not in a hotel, I'm at a house. I must see the same cousin house here, they know. Where did that boss man? Where them claim to say? The one you carry the whole of things come here and talk about it. Eh? Me can't believe I Marcia there are people house. You shouldn't say that Marcia, man. Once you left the airport, a book you're supposed to book into a hotel. Anywhere else you want to go after, so be the case. You're not supposed to have nobody else. A cut cost already. But still, you know they're not Jamaica. Not until me see you do 5-minute live. Show say a Jamaica you're there. All this can be a turn off. You know, just a detour the whole situation of the people them reporting you. So people wanna still don't take this. Not until she show where even 5 minutes live, say Jamaica she there. This can also be a part of our detour for to ease up the pressure. Step on the gas same way. Alright, no break.
Yeah. So but when me and went to Jamaica when we go to Jamaica and when I changed the money last time over by Portmore, it never fought so. So she had more than that was that the money they were pull out looked like around $1 million.
Lord Jesus.
Where she had in her bag. That was not
And that I go to art failure people money. That when go to art failure man, people money.
But me, I'm gonna comment. I'm gonna be one of the spectators that they want to
people.
according to them, I say,
She do a live. Me do the live. And the live me never dissect, you know.
but since me left
But when me go sign and scroll through, me see this.
Never gonna take that piece
And
of
almost
paper
what
and go
she's saying
stack
at
up
this
on
are the
my
same thing
company.
she's
Watch
saying
out.
on the live.
I watch
She
them.
can't
They're
steer
not
from
making
phone.
no views.
Whether you
So,
post, you go up on a next
I
man
am going
comment
to call
section,
in.
or you go up on a
I'm
man
going to
platform
test,
go
and I'm going
talk,
to make the
or
mystery
still
right
social
inside
media.
the comment section.
As you should, right
And
this
just,
up.
to make grass known. Yeah, you are no bumper clad friend.
We're not friends.
Nobody come try and make nothing clear yourself.
Amen.
This is what you want and this is what him want.
Yeah, you know, alliance. Because them say me in alliance. Me a walk by myself.
Then that to no farm.
I am supportive. I'm coming over here.
That to no farm, you know. We don't eat that. That to no
A
farm.
commentator. That's what me just want to make that clear.
Alliance to no farm.
Understand? And any information that
You
you
burn him out what you say you're done with him and you swear.
information that you can give me when you were
And you talk all kind of things about him. And see it, you know.
Let me tear up.
Pressure reach you, you look
Yes,
defense.
get a copy of it and send it to show the lawyer that she's a bully
Yeah.
and she's always
Woman a country she a talk about. I wonder if the woman a country she come to serve documents. Make us see no. Cause she a chat him about she there Jamaica in a lie.
I'll send it to you by
blood clot way. And to all the people that talk about me rock now, my job was to pay me good pussy clot money. So guess what? I save up enough to hold me for the rest of the pussy clot winter and going into summer until me can find something else. And something is in the works.
That's
In no time. I am not going to stop looking. And sheet will be available in the spring. I remember people to come and support Marcia Park March the 8th, 2020. Ticket at the door. Remember to come dressed to impress with a little
Ticket?
inside. Doing. I hope
Ticket at the door. The same Marcia will say no ticket will be selling at the door because she want to enjoy herself and she don't have time for that at the door. I mean I ask. So how you keep a party you can't hire people for put in designated places. What you want at the door for collect money for? All you do you issue certain amount of ticket to sell, and once the ticket sell, then provide your money. Here I know a backtrack because you realize say, just like the last time, ticket not selling off Eventbrite. Ticket not selling off Eventbrite because of Eventbrite she go now with her ticket them this year, you know. And say she not selling none of the gate. But listen, right about ticket will be at the gate now. She will be at the gate collecting and then she go stop and put somebody else there and go change. Kuyoto. Move.
your word. And
I am kind of a good now. I'm a good now.
Boy, you're a big deal. You're a small deal.
Me good now. Wait, say last part. Say last part again.
Me and you no more. Blood clot friend. Is a supporter.
That is it. That is it. That is it.
And you can't cause and tell the same thing. And all I want to come over here and come support the Wayne page.
That is it.
Tell me if an alliance here farm. But our members only come over here come support the Wayne page. Alliance here try farm. This not help not one on.
Those things are done. Let me tell you what I'm sit down and now for true.
Curly, I got run fan in talk.
It's
Curly,
okay. That was
People.
Me I go now. Me I go listen to you. Me just
Alright, big up.
Anyway, speak about people.
Listen.
When you hear these clowns, we come to the end of the video. When you hear these clowns,
Donna, you have yourself to blame for this.
when you hear these clowns attack, you have to really highlight them.
I never wronged you.
Show them up.
Ain't no
I know like we love hear them, but we have to show them up and highlight them. Show what they made of. Show what them intention is.
severed now. And you cannot go
Show
back
why
to
them
this.
behaving like this in a phone. That we have to do. And that's why most time we play them, highlight them. So you can aware of people like them. You understand? Because people around you act just the same way, you know, but you might not look into it, say, boy, oh, these are here. So when you highlight people like these, it's like we're informed, you know, about the person side on we are behave the same way. Speak your mind, people, bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Oh, no might ask, oh, no get no video. Boy, I'm tired. I'm tired, bad. I not lie, I'm tired. I decided to me I got my bed early last night, so I never do no video for this morning. And when I get up this morning, I say I not go on no social media, you know. You understand? After I wake up in the 2 o'clock bells, you know, and go for my friend the youth and come back, I see what I go on. Oh, before that, me get up about 15 minutes before 2 o'clock and I saw me see Curly do the video and make the post. So I say, alright, I do a video of her. And then now I continue to scroll and go back up on him live and see she come live. So I say, alright, I go do a video. So I just saw. Sometimes when I get one video, sometimes when I get two. When I have days when I get none neither. Because sometimes, as we say, we sick of them, you know, sometimes, most time them come out different days, different time, but at the same thing them chat. And me feel annoying just like Uno. At times they come and play the same thing with them say. So if them not say something new or something more interest for me want of interest for me want highlight to Uno, they can't come out here. Where your thief? Then your thief. Where your thief Miss Richie money? Then you this at the top of them video. Alright? Tomorrow them come out, them not put that at the top of them video, you know. Them put at the end or the middle of the video and talk about it. When me I gonna carry it, now the same thing, it's just that it never at the top of the video, like the one yesterday when me carry it. So me can't come back come carry that. So if something new no say, me not gonna come out and come carry a video. Not saying the same video when me has highlight things new, they might not say the same thing in it, you know. On the base of the video, you know. But them have to say something new. Can't say the same thing over and over. Anyway, what do you want to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch it ads and continue to support the channel. And remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Run go follow me. Remember, between Friday or Saturday, I don't know which day yet I want to start the little. You know, so I test the live today too. Either tonight or in a day, I'm going to test the TikTok live. I test it one time when I just can't go live. But I cut it off in a couple of seconds. I just see how when you go live, what going on, and I just cut it off. I go live for about 5-10 minutes and see how the live look. And see if I can learn any little thing when I want to know. Yeah, look how I'm going to do that. Because Friday or Saturday, we're going to do the little right in the front of the yard. Yeah, so. Yeah, I do the little TikTok entertaining live. We'll play some music. You can WhatsApp in on a request or if you don't want to come up on the screen. That if I know how to do that anytime I go live. Yeah, I want to request on a song I want. Alright? Yeah, it's a request line. Request on a favorite song, whether R&B. Once me know it and can find, me not have a problem. R&B, hip hop, souls, dancehall, anything. Cause we have everybody over here, you know. I to them at this moment I go up on me wait name there, my audience and me see me have what 8% of 18 to 24. So I have at least 18-year-old and 24-year-old on my channel. So the age group start from this. So we have all kind of people, but we just try to keep it clean. You understand? So all them talk about being old people and senior citizens. I will not tell. And most of the senior citizens over here well off more than you, both in wealth and health. So you could have cuss as on me. Anyway, as I say, follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. And please run over to the website, charmedandtrend.shop, to purchase your caps, your Speak My Mind Life is a Mission caps and t-shirts. Alright? Bless upon yourself, stay safe. Alright? And nobody worry, man, if nothing really happen where you never see me make a little post. You understand? But on every day, you get a 2 video. Peace out.